Hello students of class nursery. Today we will learn our topic what comes in between. Our today's topic is what comes in between, and in simple language between means the middle letter. So look here, this is letter A and this is letter C. What comes in between A and C? Look here. I have written letters from A to Z here. And this is letter A and this is letter C. What comes in between A and C? Look here. Letter B. A after B and C before B. So here we will write letter B. And this is letter N and this is letter P. What comes in between N and P? Look here, where is N? M, N. This is letter N and this is letter P. The middle letter of N and P is O. So here we will write letter O. N, O, P. Next, this is letter Q and this is letter S. What comes in between Q and S? This is letter Q and this is letter S, and Q after R and S before R. So what comes in between Q and S? Q, R, S. And recognize this letter. This is letter T, capital T. And this is letter V, capital V. So what comes in between T and V? Look here, this is letter T and this is letter V. And what comes in between T and V? T after U and V before U. So here we will write letter T, U and V. Next letter, recognize this. This is letter W and this is letter Y. What comes in between W and Y? This is letter W and what comes after W? X. And this is letter Y. What comes before Y? Letter X. So here we will write the middle letter X. So what comes in between W and Y? X. So students, today we have learned what comes in between. You have to practice this worksheet at home. Thank you.